We should do something tonight.
Yeah, we should. We should all do something tonight.
All of us? Okay.
Yes, all three of
do
us.
it.
What do you want to do?
3, 4, what?
Get freaky. Just kidding. Oh, what do you want to do?
I say we dance.
Let's go somewhere tonight.
Alright, let's do it.
I don't know what, yeah.
You should have came out to eat with me. I usually go out to eat like every other night.
Lucky.
Instead.
I want chicken.
No.
I want raspberries.
Yo, I want a Baconator from Wendy's.
Baconator. I've never even heard of a Baconator.
Wendy's.
I've been eating fast food a lot lately. I'm gonna gain weight.
6 cows a day.
I want Frosties.
They kill 6 kill away.
Because they don't freeze.
Yeah,
their
Do you
birds.
see that McDonald's like thing on
I
MySpace?
want to kill like a ton of like animals. The ball pit one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know
That's
that
so
was
gross. The ball pit thing on MySpace.
Like
when
the
like
bulletin that some kid was in a ball pit playing.
and there was
he
like
died from a heroin overdose. 'cause
there was
they
like
had the
heroin
needles
needles in there. There was like
poisonous
puke
snakes.
at the bottom. 'Cause people never clean it. They clean it like once a month. Yeah.
It's gross.
So you guys have to think of ideas for what we're going to do tonight.
Okay.
And then I'm going to show up at your house. So
Alright.
you better be there.
Alright.
Sweet.
If you're not there, then I'm going to go break
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.